What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this clean logo reveal animation in After Effects in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for After Effects and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. Drag and drop this project file into your After Effects workspace. In the Project panel, click on the arrow to view the contents of the imported project. This project offers 4 variants of the same animation. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using the first variant. You can repeat the same steps for the other variants. Navigate to the Change Logo folder and double-click on the Logo 1 composition to open it. This is where the logo will be placed. In this composition, you'll find layers that form the default logo. Select all of them and press the Delete key on your keyboard to move them. If you already have your logo imported, drag and drop it into this composition. Alternatively, you can import your logo by dragging the file from the project section onto the timeline. Make sure to use a logo file with a transparent background. Adjust the size and position of your logo by selecting the layer. Then, pressing S on your keyboard to reveal the scale option. Additionally, press Shift and P to reveal the position settings. Tweak these settings according to your preference. With the logo in place, let's proceed to change the tagline for the first variant. Go to the Change Titles folder and open the Title 1 composition by double-clicking it. Inside the composition, double-click on the text shown in the preview window. Once selected, type your desired tagline. For this tutorial, we'll use TagHow, but feel free to customize it. Now, double-click on the composition named Render V1 4K or Render V1 HD based on your preferred resolution. This denotes the resolution of your animation. You can preview your logo reveal animation. It might be a bit laggy the first time you play it, but once the timeline is fully rendered, indicated by the green line above the timeline, you'll have smooth playback. To export the file, click on File, Export, and to Media Encoder Queue. Once the composition is in the Media Encoder, click on the Start button to begin the rendering process. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.